Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. If you're looking for a kayak that combines value, performance, and fishing-specific features, the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 is a fantastic choice. It's a reliable companion for a day on the water, offering everything an angler needs to enjoy a successful fishing experience. Made with high-density polyethylene, HDPE, the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 is designed to be extremely durable and resistant to impacts, abrasions, and UV damage. The rugged construction ensures that the kayak can handle various water conditions and last for years of use. With a wide 30-inch beam, this kayak offers excellent stability, making it easy to fish and paddle without tipping over. Our second best fishing kayak is INTEX Excursion Inflatable Boat. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly, durable inflatable boat for fishing or recreational use, the INTEX Excursion Inflatable Boat is a solid option. It delivers on performance and comfort, making it a great choice for family outings or peaceful fishing trips on the water. The boat comes equipped with adjustable seats with backrests, allowing for a customized and comfortable experience. Whether you're on a long fishing trip or simply enjoying a relaxing day on the water, the adjustable seating ensures you can find the perfect position for optimal comfort. The INTEX Excursion boat is crafted with super tough PVC, ensuring it is highly resistant to punctures and abrasions. This rugged material is also UV resistant and durable, capable of withstanding wear from various environmental factors. This makes it a dependable choice for both fresh and saltwater activities. The welded oar locks ensure that the oars stay in place and are easy to maneuver, providing you with greater control and stability while paddling. This is a nice feature for ensuring smooth navigation and making the most of your time on the water. The boat measures 10 feet 3 inches in length, making it spacious enough to comfortably accommodate up to 3 people. Third in our list is Perception Pescador Pro 10 Fishing Kayak. Whether you're fishing, relaxing, or exploring, the Pescador Pro 10 offers excellent value for anyone seeking a reliable kayak for both beginners and seasoned paddlers alike. The Perception Pescador Pro 10 performs excellently in calm to moderate water conditions. Its wide hull provides excellent stability, making it ideal for fishing or leisurely paddling. The adjustable seat makes it easy to stay comfortable for hours, and the multiple rod holders allow for a hands-free fishing experience. The kayak tracks well and is easy to maneuver, whether you're navigating narrow rivers or paddling out into open water. In terms of storage, the front and rear compartments are spacious enough to accommodate your fishing gear, snacks, and personal items. The kayak's performance in various conditions, combined with its ease of transport and storage, makes it a fantastic all-around option for fishing enthusiasts and recreational paddlers alike. For anglers, the Pescador Pro 10 comes equipped with 2 built-in rod holders, which are perfect for hands-free fishing. Additionally, It features multiple accessory mounts, so you can easily add fishing gear, cup holders, or any other accessories you may need on your kayaking trip. Number 4 in our best fishing kayak list is TIGERXBANG 10.2 by 35 by 8 inflatable kayak. Whether you're into fishing, touring, or simply recreational paddling, this kayak is versatile enough to handle it all. The wide and stable design is ideal for leisurely paddling, while the detachable seat makes it a perfect option for anglers who need extra comfort during fishing trips. The kayak comes with a hand pump, aluminum paddle, and backpack, making it an all-in-one package for your paddling adventures. The pump is easy to use, and the paddle is lightweight yet durable. The setup process is quick and simple, so you can get on the water in no time. Made from high-quality, puncture-resistant material, the kayak is durable and built to withstand various conditions. It holds up well in both calm lakes and moderate rivers. The high-quality PVC and drop-stitch construction provide superior rigidity, ensuring a solid paddling experience that mimics a hard-shell kayak. Our last pick is INTEX 68303 EP Excursion Pro K1 Inflatable Kayak. The INTEX Excursion Pro K1 Inflatable Kayak set is a fantastic option for solo paddlers seeking an affordable, portable, and durable kayak. Its super tough PVC construction ensures long-lasting use, and its adjustable seat and included accessories make it a convenient and comfortable choice for recreational kayaking. While it may not be the best option for extreme conditions or speed, it excels in calm waters and is a great introduction to inflatable kayaking. For anyone looking for an easy-to-use, reliable inflatable kayak for casual use, the INTEX Excursion Pro K1 delivers great value, comfort, and convenience. The adjustable bucket seat adds a lot to the comfort level, and the kayak's design allows for easy turning and control. The kayak is stable and tracks well, though it may require more effort to maintain a straight line in windy conditions or choppy water. However, it is perfectly suited for leisurely paddling or short excursions. The INTEX Excursion Pro K.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!